Hey, stop scrolling for a second. Are you posting content every single day but seeing zero results? If you're tired of spinning your wheels, this is for you. I'm offering a series of paid live mini-courses designed to give you practical skills without any fluff. We have the TikTok Shop Masterclass, where you'll learn to create compliant listings and high-converting product pages. The CapCut and Canva Masterclass will teach you fast editing and how to make clean covers with ready-to-use templates. For all you YouTubers, the YouTube Masterclass covers everything from shorts, scripts, to titles that actually rank, plus a 30-day content plan. We also have a TikTok Affiliate Masterclass and an Instagram Masterclass covering everything from hooks to soft calls to action. These are live sessions, so seats are extremely limited. To book your spot, send a WhatsApp to 07508 or just drop a DM to @ucrostech. Don't wait, let's get you those results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.